Ask for the best price on this beautiful 2004 4x4 Chevrolet Avalanche. This innovative beauty is ready to roll and comes with power everything. This vehicle is perfect for the daily commute or the weekend getaways. You will love this truck. It features a CD player, towing package, premium wheels, privacy glass, a roof rack, and anti-lock brakes. Come in for a test drive.
At Walnut Creek Chrysler Jeep Dodge, we offer an incredible selection. We're conveniently located at 2404 North Main Street in beautiful downtown Walnut Creek, California.